Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess on piano easily. We will explore a unique way to combine the strategic depth of chess with the expressive power of music. This method allows you to visualize game progression through sound, making it a fun and creative exercise. You'll learn to assign musical values to each piece and interpret their movements on the keyboard. It's a fresh perspective on both disciplines. To begin, let's map our chess pieces to the piano. For white pawns, use the first 8 notes of the C major scale, from C4 to C5. Black pawns will correspond to the first 8 notes of the C minor scale. Rooks can be represented by playing 2 notes simultaneously, like a fifth interval. Knights might use a quick 3-note arpeggio, while bishops could be sustained chords. The queen and king will have unique, easily recognizable keys, perhaps a half note for the queen and a whole note for the king. Now let's translate moves into music. When a piece moves, play its assigned key, then immediately play the key representing its new position on the board. For example, a white pawn moving from E2 to E4 would involve playing the E4 note, then the E5 note. A brief silence of about 1 second can signify the end of one player's turn. Captures are simple. Just play the capturing piece's key, then the destination key. To put it all together, let's simulate a simple game. Begin with a classic opening, such as white's pawn moving to E4, followed by black's pawn to E5. Take turns playing the musical representation of each move, ensuring clear and distinct sounds for every piece. You can even practice simple checkmate sequences, like the 4-move checkmate, to solidify your understanding. This method offers a creative and engaging way to experience chess through sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.